Hello and welcome. In this video we'll talk about your workspace and the sandbox environment. When you first create your Zendo workspace, you will see that it is completely empty. If you want to try out some demo data, you will see that there is a sandbox button in your sidebar. Every workspace in Zendo comes with the sandbox environment. What sandbox environment does is it's your playground for your workspace. Every Zendo workspace has its own sandbox that you can use whenever you want to test something out. Nobody else has access to your sandbox, only you. So let's go to the sandbox. Once we hit sandbox, the sandbox will be created for you, because each time you not use your sandbox, every 7 days it will be scrapped, so it will be completely erased if you do not log in for 7 days to your sandbox. So the first time you are setting up the sandbox environment, it will ask you to set a password and log in. Once the sandbox is created, you will be greeted with a login screen to connect your Stripe. So let's do that. Connecting Stripe is critical because most of Zendo runs on Stripe. Of course, you can also use manual payments. To learn how to use them, please see my later videos. This is a test environment for Stripe, so you can connect it without any consequence because you are connecting Stripe in a test mode, as you can see here. So I will just input my email address, click submit, paste the password, and here I can use one of my pre-created Zendo accounts. Again, this is test mode, so no charges will be done. To simulate payments, you can use this card number. This is a test card number from Stripe. Also use any data that is not expired already, and any 3 digits as a CVC code number. So as you can see, your sandbox will be full of demo data. There are requests, there are subscriptions, all those requests have content, there are already some clients invited. This is created for you to play around to see what Zendo is capable of. And also, as you can see, the sidebar is customized. So if we, for example, make a new release and you are not sure how the new features work or how they will impact your services, you can always go to your sandbox and play around with them. To go back to your real workspace, just hit the back to workspace button. It will always take you there. And as you can see now, we can go back pretty quickly to the sandbox because it doesn't need to be recreated, and it will just load instantly. Of course, our Stripe is already connected. The majority of my videos about getting started with Zendo will be created in a sandbox. It's much easier to, for example, show you how payments work and stuff like that, because I can use the Stripe test mode, so I do not have to simulate real payments, for example. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one. Cheers!